Welcome to OrientDig. As your personal shopping agent, OrientDig helps you buy both online and offline stuffs from China with ease. Then how to use OrientDig. Step 1. Register. Create a OrientDig account using your email. You are now ready to start your exciting China shopping journey. Step 2. Find products. Select products from Chinese e-commerce websites. Copy the product link and paste it into the search bar on OrientDig. You can also search product name or keywords to find what you need directly. Step 3. Submit order. Choose your preferred color, size, and quantity. Then add the item to your cart or go straight to checkout. You can top up your OrientDig balance or choose your preferred payment method to pay. Once submitted, our professional team will contact the seller and place the order for you. Step 4. Manage warehouse items. After your items arrive at the OrientDig warehouse, we'll go through quality check process and take photos for the items just to ensure that the items you purchase are exactly what you want. After quality check, the items will be stored in our warehouse. You can now fill in your address information and combine multiple items into a parcel for shipping. You also have 5 days to decide whether to return the items after quality check. Step 5. Shipping to you. Choose a reliable shipping route from our trusted logistics routes. Routes with insurance offer worry-free parcel protection. We provide compensation for damaged parcels, lost parcels, and parcels seized by customs. Once ready, submit your parcels, choose a payment method, select a coupon, and pay the shipping fee. Congratulations, your parcels is on the way now. Don't forget to join our Discord community for the latest updates, giveaway, and exclusive deals. Happy shopping with OrientDig. Thanks for watching.